What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be installing a front bumper lip on my 2015 Honda Accord. So this is what I'm gonna be installing it. As you can see, the front right now looks pretty plain, so I'm gonna be installing this bumper lip that I got right here. Previously, before I show you guys how to install it, I went ahead and drilled 2 holes on this side, so you can put the screws on. The screws are gonna be self-tapping screws. I'll show you. And you could maybe do it without drilling the holes, but I think it's a little easier though. These are the screws that I'm gonna be using. I also took off the tire in order to drill those holes because, you know, to make more space. But yeah, that's what I did. And right now I'm gonna apply double-sided tape around the front bumper lip, like around here, and the other side as well, before I install it. All right, let me just break it out for you guys. As you can see, the front bumper lip is already installed. See the difference though? It looks way much better with this. Before, all the corners and the bumper which is like round, and now it has like this, and even chrome accents down there. So I didn't record when I was installing it because obviously I couldn't record and install it at the same time. I was gonna install a tripod, but then I just decided to do it like this. But I'll show you guys how to do it. So there is only going to be 2 screws on this side right here, and 2 more on the other side. And then this bumper lip is only being held by double-sided tape, like around all this, and then the screws that I already talked about. It also has like this little pins that go on the bottom. There is holes in the bottom for this. You just gotta look for them. I think from factory there is already pins like this installed, but they're not like long enough, so you gotta take them out and swap them for this ones. That's what I'm gonna be doing right now. And then that's pretty much it. That's how you install it from bumper lip on your 2015 Honda Accord, and that's what it looks like. As you can see, it looks, like I said, better with this, in my opinion. And it even looks a little lower, to be honest. But yeah, I guess that's it. And if you guys want to know what I bought this from bumper lip, I bought it from eBay. You can also find it on Amazon. It came in like a different color. It came in like a kind of like greenish color, and then I painted myself. So if you guys want to see like a video where I show you guys how to paint like a part for your car, let's say side skirts, bumper lip, or whatever, I can make a video like that. Just comment down below, and I'll try to make a video. And yeah, I guess that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.